About this item: Apple MFi Certified Lightning Cable with the Apple MFi chip. The USB-C to Lightning cord equips automatic chip recognition function. Full support with iOS versions. 20W USB-C charger offers multiple safeguards automatically. Multi-charging protection keeps your device safe from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating and short-circuiting. PD 3.0 high-speed charging. 20W USB-C iPhone charger with 6 feet USB-C to Lightning cable. Charge your device 2 to 3x faster than original 5W charger. iPad Pro 12.9 in 2.8 hours, 2.5x faster than standard USB charger. This fast charger is not suitable for charging phones exceed 20W. Perfectly compatibility. Use the official iPhone 14 Lightning cable 20W USB-C wall charger to access fast charging for iPhone 14, 14 Pro / 14 Pro Max / iPhone 13 / 13 Pro / 12 / 12 mini / 12 Pro / 12 Pro Max / SE. November 11, 2020 Pro / 11 Pro Max / XS / XS Max / XR / X8 Plus iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air. This power delivery 3.0 fast charger also charges for iPhone 7, 6 Plus, iPhone 5, 5C, 5s SE, AirPod at an original charging speed. Safety efficient fast charging.